Hey everyone, this is Josh from CBS. Welcome back to another tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how to create a lens using Fred software. To start, we're going to select New Document. After we've done that, we're going to right-click on the Geometry folder and select Create New Lens. Once here, we're going to change the parameter type to be focal length and bend. And then we're going to apply a focal length of 10. And after we've done that, we're going to apply NBK7 as our material. So to do that, we're going to click on Glass. And then we're going to append the material catalog, and NBK7 is located in the Scott catalog. So we scroll down, select NBK7, click OK, and NBK7 is now visible as our lens material. After we click OK, we can then see our lens visible in the 3D view, and we're going to move on to the optical source. So we're going to right-click on the optical sources folder, mouse over Create New Source Primitive, and select Plane Wave. We're going to up our random ray positions to be 500. Change the color to be red, and then we're going to apply a shift of -5 along the Z direction. After we've done that, click OK, and we're now able to see both our lens and our optical source in the 3D view. Now that we've done that, we're going to make our analysis plane. So we're going to right-click on the Geometry folder, mouse over Create Element Primitive, and we're going to select Plane. We're going to leave all the default settings, and then we're just going to right-click and append and apply a shift of 10 along the Z direction, and click OK. Clicking the View All button, we can now see all three of our elements in the 3D view. And now after we've done that, we're going to attach an analysis surface to our plane. So we're going to open up the Geometry folder, open up our plane so we can view our surface, right-click, and we're going to select Auto Create and Attach an Analysis Surface. And then we can see in the 3D view that it's been applied. Now after we've done that, we're going to run the ray trace by mousing up to the top and selecting Trace and Render. And here we can see that our rays are being focused onto our analysis plane. And to see the behaviors of the rays at the analysis plane, we're going to select the Position Spot diagram. Click OK. And now here we're able to see the behavior of our rays at that focus point. And there you have it. As always, CBS is here to help you with all your Fred-related needs, so be on the lookout for even more helpful content like this.